In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products with Base44. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a ready-made storefront layout and tailor it to fit your digital product business, all inside Base4. Start by heading to the Base44 website and signing in. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the dashboard and open the Templates section. This is where Base44 keeps professionally designed starting points so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Templates give you structure for pages, product blocks, and checkout flows so you can focus on content and branding instead of layout. Inside templates, explore the categories. Marketing and sales is great for landing pages, lead capture, and product showcases that help you communicate value clearly. Operations focuses on processes and fulfillment pieces that support the selling experience. Browsing both will help you spot a template that balances promotion with a clean path to purchase, which is essential for digital products. If you already have a style or use case in mind, use the search bar at the top. Type store to surface storefront style templates or try keywords that match your niche, like course, ebook, or download, so you can quickly narrow to layouts built for digital goods. Pay attention to thumbnails and short summaries to get a feel for each option. When a template catches your eye, click View Details. Here you can review what's included, such as product sections, checkout components, and informational pages. Look for a clean hero area to present your main offer, space for benefit-driven copy, spots for testimonials or feature highlights, and a concise purchase section that minimizes friction. If there's a preview, scan it on desktop and mobile to confirm readability and flow. Once you're confident, click Use Template. Base4 will load the template into your workspace so you can make edits. Replace placeholder text with your product name, value proposition, and clear outcomes. Swap images and colors to match your brand. Add your digital product details, including concise descriptions, what's included, and any usage terms. For pricing, keep it simple and visible. Avoid clutter that distracts from the buy action. If the template includes delivery or confirmation sections, tailor the post-purchase message to set expectations for instant downloads or access links. Check button labels, headings, and navigation so they're consistent and action-oriented. Finally, preview your pages on mobile and desktop to verify that text is scannable, buttons are easy to tap, and the purchase path is obvious. That's it. You've used Base44 to find a purpose-built template and customized it into a polished storefront for your digital products.